Welcome to the video today. I just wanted to take a few minutes to show you a couple new toys I got for Christmas. The first one for flying my drone is I got an anemometer. I think I'm saying that right. What it does is tells you the wind speed. I don't know if you can read it there. This really isn't too necessary. I like it. I wanted one. I can also use it when I go camping, go to the beach, something like that. On my cell phone when I fly, I usually I have an app called Drone Buddy. And as you can see, it shows you the temperature, the wind speed, KPX index, visibility, and it also has an interactive map to show if you're flying in an area that's legal to fly in. So far, when I've used the meter to check the wind speed and Drone Buddy, it's always been about 1/10 of a mile correct. Like right now it says 4.1 mile per hour, and the meter will probably say between 4 and 4.1, 4.2. It's been real accurate. I don't really need it, but it's fun. I like it. And the other thing I have, I got me a landing pad. Now this one is actually necessary, I think. It protects your blades when you're in high grass, of course. And when you're not in grass, it also keeps the dust and dirt from flying up onto your drone. And it helps protect the sensors on the bottom of the drone a little bit. Whoops, just dropped everything. It comes in yellow on one side, with black on one side, there we go, and yellow on the other for contrast. It has loops around here that you can, comes with a light strip. Battery-powered light strip. And we'll try that tonight, and I'll post a video. We'll see how it looks. So now I guess I can get rid of my old homemade cardboard landing strip, and I can try out my new one. And like I say, I do think you should use one of these. Let's see how it looks from the drone. Okay, since there's snow on the ground today, as you can see, we got about 3 inches of snow the last couple days. We'll go with the black side just for contrast. Set her down. Put our drone down. And check the wind speed, see what it looks like. At that angle, we're getting about 2.2. 2.6, 2.9, 3.1. There's a pretty good breeze coming from over there. So like I say, it's pretty close to good flying. Now let's see how it works. Take a view from the drone itself. Okay, that's how it looks during the daytime. We'll come back out and check it again later at night and put the light strip in.